Good morning, everybody. So as you may or may not know, I have 2 pet ducks now, and ducks love to swim. I have a little kiddie pool over here for them that I found on the side of the road and I picked up, but it just gets so gross and yucky so quick, and but they love it. They love it so much. So I've been thinking about making them their own little pond. So right here are the 2 ponds. This one actually has a ton of little holes in it, which I think that would be perfect for what I have in mind to use it for. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to execute this. I've watched a few videos, but yeah, it'll be some trial and error. And then we have this one here, which will be the main pond and swimming area for the ducks. You know, there are certain plants that I can put in there that will act as filtration. And then of course there's certain fish that I can put in there too. And I know goldfish are pretty good with maintaining the water's algae and stuff like that, I think. I don't remember. I'll have to watch. I watched a bunch of videos on how to make a pond, but I haven't quite gotten into how to, you know, what are the best fish and plants and all that stuff to keep it filtered and clear. But then I was also thinking too, out here in the canal, we have these huge, they're called armored catfish, and they look like those pleca fish, the sucky fishies. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just take a couple of those out there because they are super invasive and they're all over the place, and put a couple of those in the pond. And I'm thinking that should solve the issue of all the algae and poop that the ducks are gonna leave in there. But we'll see. So this is all just gonna be trial and error and something really fun to do. So right now I want to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and check out the plants that they have. So come along. Anybody else love living on the edge like this? All right, so I just talked to one of the ladies out here and they don't have any type of pond plants, which is crazy to me. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go start maybe foraging some pond plants from over by the tiny house in the canal. So let's go back home. All right guys, so I just got back and it is raining, of course. It's been raining every single day. But let's just take a minute to show you this really cool screen door I made probably about 3 weeks ago or so. I have this antique door here that I made, or that I put on here. Actually, I didn't put it on here, but I just love it and I'm so proud of myself. I got these, I don't know, little pieces of wood. I saw them sitting in a bucket at Lowe's and I'm like, oh, that would be perfect. I could make a little frame for a screen door. So I just bought a roll of screen. It was like $2. I found a whole big roll at Goodwill for super cheap. These pieces of wood were like, I don't know, $2 a piece as well, I think. And so I just cut them to size, and then I didn't have any nails, so what I did is I just stapled all the wood together, and then I bought this handle, and then I bought some hinges, and I made myself a screen door, or a screen window. You just open it up and now I can come over here and open up the other window. Babies! The duck is, babies! What are you doing? Are you playing in the rain? Ooh, shake that tail feather. Oh, run, run! What happened? You're pretty babies. Yes, you're so pretty. I don't know if this rain is ever gonna stop. It is just raining and raining and raining and raining. I really wish I had my rain gutters up right now. I feel like every time it rains, it's just a waste of water. when I could be catching all this great fresh rainwater and utilizing it to take showers and have it in my sink and whatnot. So, I don't know. I will be getting those up soon, so that will be a video that is coming out in the near future. I have the gutters, I just have not put them up yet. And I also got a 150 gallon freshwater tank, I think it was, that a friend brought over for me, but I had to do a little sealing of it because it had a leak in it. But yeah, I don't know if this is ever gonna stop, but if it doesn't, I guess I'll continue tomorrow. Hi, it's me again, and it's still raining. It has been dumping buckets for the past 5 hours. 5 hours, I mean dumping buckets, not stopping, and it is literally flooded out here, and these ducks are just loving it. They're laying down like, I don't even know, military style in a mud puddle right now. Oh my God, what are these ducks doing? Look at these guys. Oh, oh God. Ooh, the lightning is crazy. They look like dead ducks. Oh God. Oh. The lightning is crazy. The ducks don't care. I'm ducking for cover. Come on, Benny. This rainstorm is getting a little out of hand. Benny, it's okay. The lightning is so crazy right now. I don't want to be next to those big windows. It's okay, Benny. It's okay. Oh, we're hiding. We're hiding. It's okay. I know it's loud. It's loud, Benny. I am so bored. Nothing like being stuck inside. Oh God. While it's raining and lightning outside by yourself. Benny. Oh, my baby boy. You my baby boy. At least I got you, Benny. Yeah. At least I got you, Benny. Love you so much. Yeah. You're my baby boy. My baby Benny boy.